Hello friends. Welcome to the next video of the series of tariff determination process in India. Since the last video, we are covering energy balance. In this video, we will discuss losses which are considered under energy balance. Before we detail about losses, it is very important to get a sense of power flow in the power system. Usually, power plants generate power which flows through the transmission system and distribution system and finally reaches consumers. In the way, there are power losses in transmission and distribution systems. There are technical losses in transmission system, however, there are technical and commercial losses in distribution systems, which will be discussed in this video. Just for information, technical losses in transmission systems are caused due to power flow from the transmission systems, which includes losses from transformers, power lines, etc. However, in distribution systems the losses can be broadly categorized as transmission and distribution losses and aggregate technical and commercial losses, or in short AT and C losses. The T and D losses are technical losses which are caused due to energy dissipated in the conductors, transformers, and other equipment used for transmission, transformation, subtransmission, and distribution of power. They can be calculated as the difference between 1 and the ratio of total energy billed to total input energy. In this case, the energy input and billing are done at the distribution periphery. On the other hand, aggregate technical and commercial losses includes both technical and commercial losses. We have already talked about technical losses, so let us see what are commercial losses. Commercial losses can be understood as loss due to related to meter reading, defective meter, and error in meter reading, billing of customer energy consumption, lack of administration, financial constraints, and estimating unmetered supply of energy, as well as energy thefts. The components under these losses are energy and commercial losses. Energy losses are technical losses in distribution system, line losses, transformer losses, etc., and losses due to theft and inefficiency in billing. Commercial losses include default in payment and inefficiency in collection by distribution companies. AT and C losses are determined through two important parameters, which are billing and collection efficiencies. Billing efficiency is the ratio of the billed energy to consumers by distribution companies to input energy supplied by the distribution companies. Collection efficiency is the ratio of the amount of revenue collected by a distribution company to the billed amount by the distribution company. Distribution company calculates the two parameters with data present with them, and loss is calculated with the help of this formula. Every state commission defines the loss trajectory for a distribution company for each year of the control period while issuing the tariff determination regulation. Hence, they are considered as controllable factors. Hope you got a good idea about losses now through this video. In upcoming videos, we will be talking about other parameters related to energy balance. Comment below to share your views on this tariff series. Like and share the video. Also, subscribe to the channel to see more such videos in future.